Hello guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can sort Instagram feed by the newest. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Instagram app, and then what you need to do is you have to go to your Instagram app homepage. And when you are on the homepage you can see the Instagram text in the top left corner, and with this you can see a arrow button which is pointing down. So you have to simply tap on the Instagram font, and here you can see the two options, following or favorites. You have to simply tap on the following, and here you can see you can find the Instagram feed by the newest. So here you can see it is 2 minutes ago, it is 14 minutes ago, so it is all the very recent your Instagram feed. So that's how you can see the very recent Instagram feed. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. So see you next time.